Well, hello and welcome back to the channel. Unless you're new over here, then welcome. And today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can improve your reading skill by reading the newspaper. And that's why I bring a newspaper along with me. আজকে এই ভিডিওতে আমি আপনাদের দেখাবো কিভাবে আপনারা নিউজপেপার পড়ে আপনাদের রিডিং স্কিলটা ডেভেলপ করতে পারেন। Why reading skill development is inevitable for you. কেন রিডিং স্কিল ডেভেলপ করা আপনার জন্য খুবই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ, কারণ যখন আপনি ইংরেজিতে রিডিং প্র্যাকটিস করবেন আপনার প্রনাউন্সিয়েশনটা ডেভেলপ হবে। So without any further ado, let's get into it. Today from this newspaper I will read this first article. So here we go. BNP changes parties, ICE movement, major reshuffle in Central Committee. The editor of this article is Ahmed Foiz. The main opposition Bangladesh Nationalist Party has begun to reorganize the party and its associates bodies amid discussion over failure in the street movement for ousting the Awami League government before the January 7 general election. As the latest move of the initiative, the party on Saturday reshuffled 39 positions in the Central Committee, including vice chairman. Some new faces have also been given new responsibilities in the BNP Central Committee. The party recently dissolved committees, about 10 of its units or front bodies, without giving any specific reason. On Friday, the BNP dissolved the committees of its Dhaka, Chattogram and Barishal city unit and its Youth Front Jatiyo Jubodol. A number of BNP leaders, however, doubt if the committee reshuffled could ensure momentum in the street movement, as the party could not hold as a council session although the tenure of the National Executive Committee expired long ago. The latest council session of the National Executive Committee was held in March 2016. According to the party's constitution, the council session has to be held in every 3 years. The party, however, reshuffled the committee, issuing a press release without holding any council session, the leaders say. A number of BNP leaders of different level, however, said that the organizational decision of a large-scale committee reshuffle was aimed at reorganizing the party in the backdrop of the failure in the previous movement. According to them, many weaknesses have been revealed at various levels of the party after the failure in the recent movement, especially before the January 7 parliamentary elections. After the elections, many questions were raised about the failure of important units and front bodies, they said. There was an elaborate discussion among the party policymakers on the role of the Jatiyodabadi Chhatrodol and the Jubodol in the movement, while the BNP expected these two organizations to be in the leading position in the movement, they say. Several BNP standing committee members told New Age that many more committees would be reshuffled or dissolved soon. The party leadership knows that holding a council session is not easy for the party at this moment, while gaining momentum in movement is important, the leader said. For various reasons, many leaders failed to make their popular contribution to the movement, while many even without party post made significant contribution and they should be evaluated, at BNP standing committee member side.